me show you guys my squishies, and I'm going to be trying a Kinder Surprise egg. So let's get started.
I don't know.
Hello.
The ones in the black.
So we went to AC Moore's and there was a sale on squishies, so obviously I had to do it. So it was 10 small squishies for $10, and I saved about $20, so I basically got $30 worth of squishies for $10, so that's cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with my panda buns. They are dirty, which I'm kind of sad about, but they're so soft. So this is the first panda bun. And then I found this panda bun, the tongue sticking out. And this one's super slow rising and very soft. So then next I got this bread loaf, I don't know, whatever this is. Oh, it's cute. And then I got this bread. And then I got this cheeseburger. And this was originally $3, but got it for $1. And then I actually don't know what this is, but it's slow rising and cute, so I got it. And then I got this bread. And then I found these and I'm like, these are so cute. It's a little pig. And this is so soft. Like, it's so squishy. And then I got this, and I'm actually not quite sure what this is, but I'm just going to call it a cookie or like bread. So, yeah. And last but not least, I got a croissant squishy, and I actually do have the big version of this, but I decided to get the tinier one. So yeah, those are all the squishies I got. So now it's time to try my Kinder Surprise egg, and I'm so excited for this. So let's see if it's good. Got it, okay. Okay, first I'm gonna try the chocolate. I think this is the chocolate. Oops. Breaking everything. Okay, first we need to make a thumbnail. Thumbnail's done. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was the best chocolate I have ever tasted. Like, that is like, I am mind blown right now. That was so good. So when I look at Kinder Surprise eggs, like, I thought it was gonna be like chocolate, but instead it was kind of like a dip. It had like 2 little balls, chocolate balls, and then like white chocolate and dark chocolate. It was so good. It was just good. Okay, so the chocolate was amazing. I give it a huge thumbs up. And now for the toy part. So, okay, what did I get? Ta-da! This is what I got. Oh, and then you're supposed to like build like baskets and like try and throw it in. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also also comment down below what was your favorite squishy that I got, and also comment if you guys have ever had a Kinder Surprise egg. If you haven't, I definitely recommend it. If you find them, definitely get them. They are so good. So yeah, I want to know if you guys ever tried them. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!